Marinated garlic, a delicious preserve that adds a touch of flavor and aroma to your favorite dishes. Peel the garlic cloves and collect them in a small bowl. In a pot, pour the white wine vinegar, milk, and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil, stirring occasionally. Add the garlic cloves, and once it comes to a boil again, cook for 5 minutes. Drain the cloves, place them in a bowl, and let them cool completely. In a sterilized jar, place 2 bay leaves and a chopped chili pepper. Add the garlic cloves and place another 2 bay leaves and another chopped chili on top. Pour extra virgin olive oil until all the ingredients are covered. Close the jar and store it in the fridge for at least a couple of days before consuming. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.